4th of July.
Happy 4th of July from Morgan and Jess.
You're at Hersheypark.
I believe this is the first year that Hersheypark is offering fireworks for the 4th of July. So we figured, why not check it out?
Well, the first year we're here, we don't know.
Yeah, I think it's the first year. They also offered a picnic from 11 to 3. You can see the menu options. We did decide to opt out of the picnic though, but it should be a fun night. They have, from what I've seen, a bunch of different snack and food options.
Specialty cocktails.
Just for the 4th of July.
Yeah.
So we'll see. Hopefully it's gonna be a fun night. 20-minute wait. Not bad.
Yeah, not bad.
Yeah, not gonna lie though, I could go for a butterbeer right now.
Wrong cart, Jess. You got chocolate milk.
Chocolate beer.
Yeah, they did make that with Yingling, remember?
Yeah, that does exist. Over at Dippin' Dots, this is what they're offering for 4th of July. Something to keep in mind.
It's buy one, get one ice cream at Rita's or Simply Chocolate.
Okay,
Special Dick's Sporting Goods offer.
that's interesting.
It's a new one.
Last month, for the month of June, they had buy one, get one free Dippin' Dots. Obviously, it's July now, so they do not have that offer anymore.
But now it's free ice cream. Buy one, get one free ice cream, so that's nice.
Now, I could go for some ice
I
cream.
could go for some good custard.
Yeah? Yeah, I have never noticed this shop before. We are right next to the Hershey's fountain. Surfside Styles. Just looks like a bunch of beach stuff. My pants kind of go with the vibe of this place.
Yeah, they do. It's like a
There's
carnival here
Twizzlers.
tonight.
I know. Should we go look at the sky deck thing?
Sure.
Oh, I think they added a sign.
Yeah, I don't remember that.
We're gonna see what kind of ice cream options they have. See if we even want to use the buy one, get one deal. Probably gonna come back for ice cream later when the line dies down. And if you've never had a Sporello before, highly, highly recommend. It's more than just a potato on a stick. Just kidding, it's just a really good potato. Something that we noticed on our most recent trip to Cedar Point, they had freestyle machines. Here at Hershey, they have Pepsi machines. But why do they all smell like vomit? What is that smell? Why do they all stink?
It's a mystery.
It's gross. Here's a drink. Stars and Stripes Patriotic Punch. Gotta find out where it is, but they do have boba for some reason at that donut truck. Through the Boardwalk and Shore area because apparently they're gonna be having a viewing area for the fireworks here.
It's sold out.
Yeah, it is $20 a person, I think, but we didn't even know they were offering it. Otherwise, we definitely would have snagged that up.
Dang right.
Yeah, so we're just gonna see what they got going on down here. So far, there is nothing set up yet.
I wonder where they're going to be set up.
Yeah. We will check back in about an hour, maybe 45 minutes, just to see the progress, see where they're at. But they have made this announcement so many times since we've walked through here. They really want people to get out. Gonna go on Wildcat. And just like that, we got off of Wildcat.
Oh yeah. Great night rides. It was running fast.
It was so fast. But we say that every time, so
Yeah,
maybe
that's
it
true.
is just
Maybe we
fast.
just, yeah, it's just a fast ride.
But it was awesome. The time is currently 8:42. Fireworks.
8:43.
Excuse me. 8:43. We are waiting till 10:15 for fireworks to start. We have about an hour and a half. People have cleared out, but nothing's set up yet. So maybe the celebrations are going on in the wave pool area. That's the only place I can think of, considering what time it is.
I don't know, where else would it be?
We just got some Nathan's Wieners, mini cone dogs. We're gonna head into the wave pool area, but they told us. So I'm gonna take a lucky guess and say that's where the activities are happening. We're at the cabana entrance, and the amount of people lining up right now is pretty crazy. It is 9:06, almost 1 hour until the fireworks are going to go off, and they're still not letting people in there. Currently in line for Twizzlers.
No way.
We just finished Twizzlers Twisted Gravity.
First night ride on that ride.
It looks good at night.
Yeah, it
I
looks
like
really
the
good.
colors.
I didn't wear my glasses, so I was blind the
Yeah.
entire time.
Now we are actually working our way out of the park. We figured if we're not going to be able to view the fireworks from the Boardwalk area, where is going to be the best place? And we think it's going to be in the pass holder parking lot.
Yeah.
So that is where we're headed. It is 9:55, and as you can see, everybody is leaving the park. Which makes me think people are either going to view it from the parking lot like we are, or everyone's leaving.
There they go.
We actually ended up driving down the road to the outlets because there was
So many people.
Yeah, and that's the view we got. So we can see
Not
now.
bad.
Yeah.
No music.
No. But that is going to do it for us here with our Hersheypark 4th of July celebration. Not much going on.
No big shebang.
Yeah.
Maybe next year.
But I think this was their first year trying it, so maybe they'll get feedback and maybe they'll try something different next year.
Yeah.
So thanks guys for watching, and I hope you had a good 4th.
Happy 4th of July, guys. Thank you.